dap ubiang la ne yau em ge jing mi pan na ka council ri.
Former Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Birsat and newly elected NPP MLA Gabriel Walang have announced their support for Dresser Marngar as the NPP candidate for the upcoming MDC elections in Nongstoin. Speaking after filing his nomination, Marngar expressed confidence in securing a win, emphasizing his commitment to strengthening the district council. Meanwhile, G. Ningstar Mirthong, the INC candidate, also filed his nomination, stating his decision was driven by public demand for leaders who address local issues. Mirthong dismissed concern over Walang's defection, reaffirming his dedication to the Congress manifesto and strengthening the 6th schedule and the KHDC's financial stability.
Ngami badan sirnika kondisi menta kena kelumpung sain hima sima kumunong hikai kalau dau ba kelong bangayu I ya ka jingdok ka jingjinjar jong pai ba jong ka constituency Nongstoin Brockway kumta don ka benta na ka benta ban yakit ya balam ya ka khia ka shon jong ka constituency hi Brockway